morning, geometry guys. We're here on a cold, foggy, weird Monday learning about triangles. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. Alright, and for those that weren't in class today, they were voting for the classroom mascot name. So if you missed it, too bad. Now, so two ways to classify triangles. We've actually done some of this. Some of this should be common knowledge by now. But one thing I've noticed is that common knowledge is not so common. Alright, if we classify something by angles, alright, if it's acute, that means all angles are less than 90 degrees. Alright, a right triangle should have a 90-degree triangle or angle in it. And obtuse is somewhere it has one angle that is between 90 and 180. Alright, now, for those that may have forgotten or never seen it, this word is called scalene. Why? I don't know. Okay, so, and then isosceles. Again, I don't know. Both of these words I do believe are Greek in origin. Okay, scalene is no sides congruent. Isosceles, two sides congruent, and equilateral, all sides congruent. We were studying the last two last week. Alright. So let's put this into perspective for some of y'all. Alright. From A through F, which one of these is an isosceles triangle? I heard E, because there we go. Those two are congruent. That means this. So that goes right there. All right. What about equilateral? D. Scalene. Some of y'all are used to seeing that in math. Now. Yes. Thank you. That's what C. Oh, you mean the next one. I thought you were like C as in yes in Spanish. Okay. So acute said it was C because all those are little or less than 90. Okay. We have A, and that would mean, okay, I like pumpkin cotton. Now, so anyways, that's one thing. We'll actually have some more problems on that. Tomorrow we will have a check on learning. Okay. I know some of y'all are super pumped. Alright. So just a reminder, interior angles, they all add up to 180. Also, if we happen to have this little extra, appendage right here, that angle is the same thing as these two added together. Alright? The reason why is if this is 120, this right here would have to be 60 degrees because all this is 180. Well, these two things add up to 120 because, again, all these add up to 180. Alright? So, that's kind of how that works out like that. Like, I could literally give you a few angles and give you the outside angles, and you should be able to find everything else. Now, this one right here. I know it's blue on my screen, and it's not on your paper because I can print in color. I just don't know how to copy in color. I don't know if the copy machine does that here. Alright. What we just stated is that this angle and this angle add to equal this angle. X minus 60 or plus 65. Alright. So X plus 10 65 minus 10 minus 10. So X equals 55. Alright, so this angle is 55 degrees. This one ends up being 2 times 55 plus 10. Okay, this one's also 120. All right, that's just kind of the way it works out. That's not, you know, the main thing. It just happens we had a few that actually is 120 or 125. That doesn't mean they're all like that. All right, now, yes, short lesson. Now on the back of the paper, y'all are going to work on. You're going to words are hard. Classify the triangles by angles and sides, and then the last two problems are like what we just covered. All right. Good. For those around the world, don't forget, hit like, subscribe to the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.